Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 trending coins on CoinMarketCap. How do you get to this? Let's go to coinmarketcap.com and then you see your trending, you click on more and then ta-da, you land on this page. So let's get straight into it. TR. So TR against BTC. We have been... Okay, it's very new, TR. So the thing is that you're not going to see much. TR is in a slow crawl up. So yeah, we'll have to wait for more information first before we can make a move for TR. Against USD, it's the same freaking thing. So yeah, best thing that could happen is to do something like this. ABCDE, bam, we break out, right? But yeah, again, not much actionable information yet for TR. Do we do PEPE? Not yet. Let's do PEPE! PEPE against, I think USDT. We'll take a look at it on Gate. So for PEPE against USD, yeah, there was a downtrend. We keep getting lower lows, right? So now we're waiting for the higher low, right? Could this be a higher low? Then this means that a new trend change could be coming. But we don't have confirmation yet. So we'll have to wait. Because previously, when PEPE was dropping, right, there was a nice rally that came in. But we formed lower lows, right? Again, there's a very nice rally that's here. Could we form lower lows as well? It could happen. It could happen. So again, we still need confirmation. Higher low first. Then the next higher low, we might consider making a move. We might even make a move over here, to be honest. But it depends on the move that comes for PEPE when it retraces. So yeah, we're just going to be patient and wait for more information. Solar. Okay, with this Solar now. MATIC. Let's look at MATIC. So for MATIC against BTC. Here we are for MATIC. MATIC BTC. Again, we notice the head and shoulders. We're already down. Again, we're very close to the lows over here. So that's why we're asking ourselves, will this low hold? Or will it be taken out? Right? If I had to guess, I would say that more likely than not, it's going to be taken out. But again, I can't say for sure. This is at the very, very bottom of the move. We could still take it out and just come back up, right? Zip back up, but we're under the skinny pink line. So the bearish trend is still on for MATIC BTC. MATIC against USDT is, yeah, again, we are loyal to our 38 cents target. We still anticipate the possibility of 38 cents being hit because this would complete a very big bearish chart pattern. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, descending triangle, we zip lower. Absolutely possible, right? A very, very big move towards the downside for MATIC if we come back down towards the support. But if MATIC stays here and doesn't come to the support, right? What MATIC does is it does this, and after that it starts breaking out. Then yeah, more likely than not, MATIC could be completing a ABCDE, right? ABCDE, palm. That would be the best bullish case for MATIC, right? But again, we still have to wait for confirmation first, right? Again, we're still getting lower lows, right? We're still getting lower low, right? Will the next move come be a higher low, right? Will this be the start of a new trend change? Again, we're not too sure. We still don't see any clear signs of a bullish reversal yet, so we're going to have to take it one step at a time for MATIC. We did XRP on Monday. Status. Okay, Status is also blasting off. SNT against BTC. Here we are for SNT. SNT is above the skinny pink line, but I don't know if this is the bottom. You know, previously there was a rally, but of course eventually we, you know, form lower lows as well, and this is also a lower low. So could we still zip lower and form another lower low? We're not too sure. At what point will we consider this as a potential bullish reversal for Status against Bitcoin? Yeah, we have to take out all the stop buys over here, right? All the highs over here, sweep them up, come back down, right? Form consolidation above the skinny pink line. Something like an inverse head and shoulders here. Left shoulder, head. Right shoulder, blast off. Ooh, best thing for Status Bitcoin, but at this point of time, yeah, we're not too sure yet. Status against you. Okay, well, let's look at it. Let me see. Hey, on Binance, like that. Oh, okay, let's look at it on. Let me see. SNT USD. Gate. So for Status against USD Tether, there's a very nice ABC. You see these, boys and girls? If we were to, again, we have to stay above the skinny pink line, right? We're already above the skinny pink line, so the bias has switched bullish, right? It was a downtrend, now we're in an uptrend. So we're anticipating more upside eventually for status. We're probably gonna have to be, consolidating a little bit first before continuing higher. We're already severely overbought for status, right? If you zoom in over here, how high were we? Okay, wait, let me just turn this on, drop it down. 92, we're at 92. We're super overbought, so this is not an area to be going long for status. If anything, this is an area to be taking profits for status, because I think there's going to be a retrace eventually. Sure, we could crawl a little bit higher, but I still suspect there should be some sort of a retrace eventually. And if and when a retrace comes, yeah, it's going to be something. I don't know how long it's going to be, but yeah, the longer it is we go without a retrace, the more deeper the retrace is going to be, right? So it's better that status starts retracing right now, right? But again, we'll have to see how it goes first. So yeah, there we go. But I think status is about to complete a huge squeeze as it breaks higher, right? We could be breaching $1. Yeah, we almost breached $1, but this could be it, right? Where we breach $1. So there could be something coming on for status. So yeah, again, even if it does break out, we'll wait for the consolidation, right? And then we'll probably go in at the consolidation. It might come in, I don't know, summer 2024. Summer. So we'll see how it goes first though. It's many months down the road for status. With the Ethereum. Chainlink! Ooh, Sergey. What's up, Sergey? Link against BTC. Here we are for Chainlink. Chainlink has already broken the resistance. Will we stay above the resistance? Again, we've broken above the skinny pink line many times, right? Above skinny pink line, above skinny pink line. We're also above the skinny pink line. Will we stay above the skinny pink line? That's the question, right? We would love it for Chainlink to consolidate a little bit before heading higher, right? If we start collapsing back down like what we have been doing previously, then we're gonna have to prolong the bullish move, right? The impulsive move. So again, we'll have to wait and see how it goes first though. But Chainlink BTC, link against USD. Yes, so Chainlink against USD is out of the consolidation accumulation range, right? That's a huge accumulation over here, which Chainlink has already blasted out from. And I would not anticipate Chainlink to come back down. Sure, I think we're due for a retrace though. You keep seeing, I mean, if on the small time frames, you'll be able to see that this is a rising channel kind of a chart pattern, right? So rising channels usually break lower, right? It all depends upon BTC. If BTC starts collapsing, I think Chainlink is going to be collapsing as well. If BTC doesn't collapse, then Chainlink has potential to continue higher. So we're going to have to wait and see how it goes first though. But yeah, I kind of like what I see on Chainlink. I think there's potential for Chainlink to continue higher to about $20, right? This is a noisy area. So we are at the very bottom of the noisy area, right? There is resistance here. This is where we are. So I suspect we'll stop at around 15, maybe. Right, so a little bit higher. Again, we're not entirely sure. We don't have any clear targets for Chainlink, so we're gonna have to take things one step at a time. But we are already bullish for Chainlink. We're bullish Chainlink. We're bullish status. PEPE, again, we need to see higher lows. A Big Time. I think Big Time just got listed not too long ago. USDT. Big Time USD. Coinbase? Crypto. Okay, let's look at crypto. Anything for Big Time? No. Hey, yo, bro. Nothing much for... Yeah, no. Big Time. Big Time USD. Let's look at it on Coinbase. Yeah, nothing. Nothing much for us to work with, so we need more information first. Just like TR. Just got listed, so we're gonna have to wait. We have to wait, boys and girls. STORJ, STORJ, BTC. STORJ is storage, so the storage narrative eventually will see a spike up, right? In its own category. So STORJ is in the same category as Sia coin. It's also in the same category as Filecoin as well. So again, we'll see. There could be something coming on. Yeah, look at this. It's such a waste, right? See this? Very nice squeeze over here. We could have busted off, but we didn't. What happened instead? Lower lows, right? Lower lows. Again, we broke above the skinny pink line, but now we're back under the skinny pink line. So it's like, bro, it's not good, bro. Could we still hit lower? Yeah, of course. So against the BDC pair, it doesn't really look that good. STORJ against USD, we're above the skinny pink line. So STORJ could be consolidating for a move higher, right? Again, we're not entirely sure. The chart isn't really that clean though. So yeah, but we're above the skinny pink line, right? And we are consolidating above it, which is good. But I wouldn't consider this as a tradable type of a chart pattern. So we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes for STORJ. POLYX. Let's look at POLYX. POLYX BTC. POLYX BTC. Yeah. Spike up. Big sell towards the bottom, right? We are above the skinny pink line, which is good. Will we stay above the skinny pink line? That's the question. That is the $1 million question, right? We swept up all of the clusters of stop buys over here, right? And then we pulled the price down. The whales put the price down. So will we stay above the skinny pink line? Could we consolidate here a little bit before heading higher? Or are we going to do what we did previously in April 2023, where we just sell all the way down, right, to form lower lows? Could we sell all the way down to form lower lows? We'll have to wait and see. We will have to wait and see. So yeah, that's POLYX BTC for you. POLYX USDT. So this is POLYX again above the skinny pink line, which is good. It is fairly more bullish on the USD pair compared to the BTC pair, but there's also strong selling happening for POLYX, right? Looks like a shooting star. It's not, but you know that there is heavy selling happening for POLYX. Could we just zip out from here, consolidate before continuing higher for POLYX? Of course. As long as we stay above the skinny pink line, consolidate above the skinny pink line, then yes, more likely than not, we could see continuation for POLYX. But even if POLYX drops, I think that's not too bad. Why? Because this whole thing could also be a gigantic squeeze. We're always looking for squeezes, right? Why are we looking for squeezes? Because if and when a breakout comes, potentially it could be a very, very impulsive move, right? So yeah, again, we'll have to wait and see first though. I think POLYX has potential, but not at this point of time, right? It's just too, it's too volatile. It needs to take a break first, have a Kit Kat. Cyber, let's look at Cyber BTC. Here we are for Cyber. Any more Cyber? Nope. Lower low? Yeah. Could we form another lower low? Yeah. Any? Nope. Nothing much for us. Cyber USDT. Here we are for Cyber. So Cyber USD could form a squeeze here. But again, no clear signs of a proper wave E, right? And it might not, I mean, this wick may not be there for the other exchanges, right? Let's look at Cyber, let's say USD on Bybit. Let's see, there's no wick here. It's only on Binance, so you can't consider the wick on Binance, right? You could, but it wouldn't be as accurate, right? So again, the best thing that could happen, to be honest, for Cyber is we come back all the way down to $1. And then only do we start completing the squeeze, right? Strong rally from here. So again, Cyber is still very new, not much information, just like TR, big time, right? So we need to let the whales do their thing first. Once we identify accumulation, great. Then after that, only can we identify the bottoms, and then only can we identify our entry. So we need more information first for Cyber. RUNE BTC. RUNE had a runner way back in 2019, I think. Yeah, 2019. RUNE just went up and up and up and up and up, right? And you can count 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! And now we are in a retracement, right? We're hovering around the skinny pink line, right? This is what you call a broadening triangle type of a continuation chart pattern. So we are assuming that the continuation will come for RUNE BTC eventually, right? We're already above the skinny pink line, so we are already switching our bias to bullish for RUNE. RUNE was an outlier during the bearish move in. No. Okay, no, RUNE did a crazy move towards the upside, RUNE USD, right? RUNE did like, I think 2000% if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 2000%, 257 no, 2000x, which is 200,000%, which is 2000x, which means that if you have 1,000 at the bottom over here, you would have 2 mil at the top from 1,000. This is crazy stuff. So yeah, right now RUNE is in a correction. I suspect that this is going to be a very prolonged correction that could stretch all the way to 2028. So I think we are on the way up for a wave B, right? We're above the skinny pink line, just like the BTC pair. So we're anticipating bullish continuation for RUNE. Even if we were to retrace, I will anticipate continuation, right? There was some trickery over here, right? We talked like, this could be a left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. RUNE could be collapsing back down. But we're already above the skinny pink line, which means that there's a potential for a chart pattern invalidation. So RUNE's head and shoulders got invalidated. And yeah, it zipped up. So there you go. That's RUNE. Again, nothing much for us to work with at this point of time. So we're gonna stay safe and not force anything for THORChain. Injective. Injective has hit all targets. Injective against BTC. Ta-da! 4480. At the very top over here, it was 4500. Look over here. High. 450. That's it. We've hit everything. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is Injective. We got these targets. When did we get this target? September, yo. So October, November, 2 months, right? You know why? Because we noticed this. That was a symmetrical. So I don't know if Injective is gonna come back down and form a wave C. This would be the preferred move for Injective. Will it happen? It remains to be seen. We don't know. Injective could still zip a little bit higher and then be like, oh my god, this is no longer a squeeze if that happens. It's going to be a higher high. So it's not ideal. Not to say it's not welcome, but you know, it's just not ideal. Injective against USD with hit targets. Ta-da! Same thing like the BTC pair, right? There's a high quality symmetrical triangle, and that's it. All targets hit. Ta-da! Can we still go higher for Injective USD? Of course. I think we could also take out these highs though. But I don't think we're going to take out these highs. This high, yes, but not this one. So yeah, we're severely overbought. So a little bit more zip towards the upside, and then maybe a deep correction. Right? I would love it. Injective did this and form a very nice wave C, right? And drop to like $3 again. That would be awesome. Absolutely awesome. But at this point of time, yeah, we're gonna have to be patient. We're gonna wait for the Injective whales to do their thing. And yeah, we're not gonna be rushing in, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. 5 waves up. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Soup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No? Okay, this is a bit subjective. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is a wave 3. This is a wave 1. So wave 5. That's it. Time to retrace, boys. Time to retrace. So if you bought Injective anywhere here or anywhere here, yeah, it's wise to secure some profits. We are already severely overbought over here. What is the very top over here? 92, yo. Severely overbought. Still, we don't see any shooting star yet. So that's what like I was saying. We could probably take out this high. Zip, zip. Come back down. Something like that for Injective. So be very careful about going long here. I saw a lot of other Twitter accounts. Not a lot. There's one Twitter account that has been... a few actually that has been pushing for Injective. And yeah, no, I don't think so. I think it's time to secure your profits. So yeah, there we go. Now, we might not drop to $3 though. It could be like sub $5, you know. Again, there's a noisy area over here. So we could drop to like maybe 5, 4 or something. Yeah, again, if we get a high quality bearish reversal chart pattern, we can more or less tell how low it could go, right? This whole thing could become a left shoulder head. Right shoulder, right? And Injective could just... yeah, it could be sub 3 though. It could be sub 3. Again, we're not entirely sure. We don't have any hard targets towards the downside. We have hard targets towards the upside. They just got hit. And yeah, Injective is awesome. Alright, what is this? Yeah, this is the one. See? You'll see this, boys and girls. September 7th, we had this. Ta-da! Alright, boys and girls. I guess that's it for today's top trending crypto TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!